Hello my acquaintances. Today I'm going to be cleaning, reorganizing my craft area. So I'm going to be honest with you, it is not looking good. Everything was in that cardboard box and now it broke. So I'm going to have to go through everything over there and determine how many organizer type things I need. I also haven't gone through that red tote since I packed it for moving here a year and a half ago, so 2 birds, 1 seed. This box was an attempt at organization. It's Loot Crate box. Yay, I used to get Loot Crate. I've used it to organize all my perler bead stuff, but I also have way too much perler bead stuff and it doesn't even really all fit in here. This is my knitting stuff and a bunch of things have fallen in it. This is a little sewing kit, sewing stuff. This is pom-poms general craft pile. Put this bead with general craft too. These were for Miko. These are the ones that are painted, so I separated them from the thing. With my knitting stuff though is mice got into it, so now it's really dirty and I need to wash all my yarn. So I'm just gonna go ahead and throw this whole bag into my laundry basket. Is my camera going to fall if I lower it though? Yes it is apparently. I don't know, I got this as I'm sorry. These are just, it's a crystal, nothing more. Oh, this is the tag for my Chuck E. Cheese shirt. Don't really need that. Here's a bookmark I knitted in. I don't read, so I think shovely bobby da bob lava. This is my hot dog stapler. I think it's really funny, but it takes miniature staples, so I can't really actually use it. Oh, this is fun. I have all these vials from contacts. because I just think these vials are so cool. I don't know what I can put in here though. Baba dee laba daba. Baba gaba? If anyone knows what that song is called, please let me know. I've been trying to find it. Here's some stickers. I have these in a jar someplace. I have been looking for this floral wire and I just can never find it. This should be with my craft making or my prop making stuff. A pay stub from Joann's. That the reason why Joann's workers are always pissed, it's because we're paid shit and we're treated like shit and we're always understaffed and it just overall kind of sucks working there. This is for 2 weeks. I made 226. Okay. You know what's fun about your family knowing you sew? Whenever they want to get you a gift, they just get you one of these. So now I have one of these, and one of these, and one of these. Journal for October 27, 2008, 7:50 p.m. I just got off the computer and now I am writing. I am going to play LPS, so bye for now. That's fun. I'm unsure of where I left off, but this is what we're looking at now. We got the general craft stuff in the box. I got rid of a bunch of trash out of the box. My most frequently used items, mostly sewing items and like utensils. Got these couple of organizers, and I think that'll be good, but if not, I'll just go back to the dollar store tomorrow. Alright, my tripod situation's a little bit whack. Yeah, I figured... What do you see? Oh, who is out there? There is someone out there. Who's out here? And start by putting in the sewing kits. I'm just gonna stack them up because, you know, I'm only really gonna need one at a time. And then my bobbin boxes right there. In the middle. And then these things. Yeah. I was thinking my buttons could go in here too, but it's not really looking like that's gonna happen. And so I'll put these type things in here. I don't know what I'm doing with my ribbon. I might try and get a dowel, which I think I actually have some in my closet, and then just put them all on a dowel. And I'm actually, there's a zipper in here. I am going to put that zipper in here with the attachments. I think it makes more sense in there. My buttons would go with my sewing stuff. Well, I feel like I should have my buttons and my fastener type things all together. I don't know why. Tencel type things. Just kind of. They're in a basket. Kind of. Be flat, it wouldn't. But I feel like I'm just wasting space that way. Maybe I'll just put the ribbon in here that doesn't fit in the box. Because only like 2 things of ribbon fit in the box. Okay, yeah, you know what? I'll do that for right now. I think that's fine. So, this is what it looks like. Buttons and fasteners. So, like these are little heart snaps that I got because I thought they were so cute, and then I didn't use them for anything. Sewing stuff in sideways like that. And then I guess I'll just put the ribbon, the current ribbon situation, just on top of it. Sure. So if you remember the before, I'll put the before in. Oh, and I washed all my yarn and knitting stuff that was in my knitting bag. So that's clean now too. Let's see. There it is. And then I have the needles in this front pouch on it. You see it? You see it? Kind of, maybe. There you go. And then we have all the sewing themed items there. Fastening themed items there. And then marking themed items in that, and then general craft, and I guess I can try and pull it out and show you a little bit. So yeah, we ended up putting the feathers in that candle jar. There's patches in that candle jar, beads, perler beads. I tried to kind of keep it. Then I put my giant embroidery hoop in there. I tried to keep it the stuff that was like went together kind of, but it doesn't matter because this is all stuff that I don't really use very often. It seems I forgot to record an outro, so you know to bye, subscribe, see you later all you haters.